Everyone who comes has a passion for footwear. I think what Autodesk and Delcam are doing with this conference is groundbreaking for this industry. And for this to actually happen in Portland, Oregon, and being able to bring that together in a collective environment in the course of 2 days is extremely powerful. I'm actually thankful to Autodesk and Delcam for selecting us as the U.S. representative to actually have the Footwear Forum for the very first time. The foundation of Pensole, first and foremost, is to develop thinkers. It's not only to bring students in that have a passion for footwear, but we want to really challenge them to elevate the footwear industry in the products that they imagine and create. What's great about the relationship between Delcam and Pensole is it happened organically. We actually realized we had the exact same mission, to introduce new technologies, new ways of thinking into the global footwear industry. And having forums like this shows the connectivity that could happen over the course of a couple days. Everybody sharing what they're doing in their world.
Instead of using the old granite device and a wooden lath structure, we've reinvented it with your smartphone and a 3D printer.
Simulation plays a part in the design process in the future.
So the Footwear Technology Forum is all about the future of making things, the future of making footwear. So we were really fortunate to have Buzz Cross here from Autodesk talking about Autodesk's global vision.
Technology's ahead of us today, so we have to find ways to catch up. So for the first time, what we see is manufacturing is starting to drive design. The difference is that it has to function. So Autodesk Footwear Division focused not only on the design actually supports the use of the system.
One thing that's worked very well at this conference is the sponsorship. They get the opportunity to meet face-to-face with the buying decision makers within the large footwear manufacturing and design organizations. We've had companies such as Adidas, Reebok. Feedback has been unanimously very, very good indeed.
You get a lot of people in here with not only new technology and ideas, but you get to talk to people and bounce ideas off of each other, and it creates innovation within a conference even.
We are so competitive that we don't like to share our ideas, so when you get in an environment like this, you kind of let your guard down a little bit, because you actually don't see the brand and the products and the competition, you see the people, and you can actually talk to them. And when they're presenting something really cool that hasn't been done before, conversations are started here. I just think it's a great environment to collaborate.
There's a lot of conversation about 3D printing, but somebody has to build the files. Somebody has to design the products that you're going to print. And so I think that's why the collaboration between Delcam and Pensole is kind of the perfect marriage, because they have the tools, we have the knowledge, and we bring those two things together, then that's going to elevate the industry, and that's both of our goals.
So the Footwear Technology Forum is the first of its kind because it's bridging that gap, I think, between the creative world of design and this often scary technology. And by bringing the two together, we're allowing these designers now to understand new ways that they can do things that aren't so scary after all.